Hello students, welcome to my channel Education Life. Myself Rishika and here is the video for standard 9th. And guys, in this video we are going to see the margin and workshop questions of the lesson The Fall of Troy part 2. And guys, मैंने इसके first part पे मार्जिन एंड वर्कशॉप वीडियो ऑलरेडी अपने चैनल पर अपलोड कर दिया है, जिसके लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे. एंड फॉर दी बोथ पार्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो मैंने अपने चैनल पर अपलोड किया है, जिसके लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे. एंड मैंने इसकी प्रीवियस वीडियो के सारे मार्जिन एंड वर्कशॉप एक्सप्लेनेशन वीडियो अपने चैनल पर अपलोड किया है, जिसे आप मेरे चैनल पर जाकर देख सकते हो. एंड इफ़ यू लाइक माई दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ प्रेस द लाइक बटन, एंड इफ़ यू आर न्यू टू माई चैनल प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. So let's start with the margin and workshop, and guys please watch till the end.
So here is the first question. How did Odysseus plan to defeat the Trojans? So पहले हम सबसे पहले यहाँ पर margin questions देखेंगे. So इस question में क्या है कि Odysseus ने कैसे क्या प्लान करके ट्रोजन्स को डिफीट किया. So the answer is Odysseus planned to defeat the Trojans by using a trick. He suggested that they built a wooden horse big enough to hold men inside, and the great fighters will hide inside the horse. Then at night the Greeks would knowingly burn their tents and pretend to sail away in their ships, but they would return the next night when the Trojans would be asleep and attack the city, burn it down and kill them all. So this is the answer. So now we'll move to the next question. What was the reason for Troy to rejoice and celebrate? Yes, तो क्या ऐसे reason मिले थे ट्रॉय को जिसे वो इतना celebrate करे थे? So the answer is
the reason for Troy to rejoice and celebrate was that the Greeks were gone and the long siege was over at last. Okay, the next question is, so this question is think and answer. First is, was it enough to use the wooden horse to hide? The answer is no, it wasn't enough to use the wooden horse to hide. The horse had to enter the city in order to enable, it is E-N-A-B-L-E, enable the hidden warriors to open the gates of the fortress from within. Okay, it is warriors, W-A-R-R-I-O-R-S. Okay, warriors. So the next question. What was done to make the Trojans take it inside the horse? So यहाँ पर horse what was done to make the Trojans take it inside the city, not horse. So ये जो wooden horse उन्होंने बनाया था, so उन्होंने ऐसा क्या किया कि Trojans इसको उस horse को अंदर ले जाए. So the answer is, a man was left behind by the Greeks to convince the Trojans to drag the house into their city. Okay, the next question is, how did the cunning Greek explain the presence of such a large wooden horse? The answer is, the cunning Greek explained the presence of the large wooden horse by saying that the Greeks were tired of the long war and had sailed away in their ships. As they were afraid of the long voyage home, they had built the horse and left it as an offering for the god of the sea. Okay, as an offering for the god of the sea. So the next answer is, the question is, do you think the Greeks and Trojans were superstitious? Give reason for your answer. Yes, so जब हमने ये लेसन को समझा था, जब मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था, तब आपने देखा होगा कि जो ग्रीक आर्मी थी एंड द ट्रोजन्स, ये दोनों ही बहुत ही अंधविश्वासी थे. ये सुपरस्टिशन में बहुत बिलीव करते थे. So give reason for that. The answer is, yes, I do think that both were superstitious. It is superstitious, and the Greek took an undue advantage of that. The plan made by the Greeks of capturing and destroying, destroying Troy was based on superstition. As the Greek knew that the only way to convince the Trojans that they drag the horse inside their city by telling them that the horse is an offering to the sea god for good luck, they would believe it blindly and can do anything to make the good fortune to their side. So the faith that the Trojans placed in superstitions led them to their doom. Okay, so the next question. What reckless thoughtless step did the Trojans take? The Trojans took the reckless, thoughtless step of breaking down a part of the wall and dragging the horse inside their city. So the next question is, how did the Greeks enter the city of Troy? The answer is,
The Greek soldiers who were hidden in the wooden horse entered the city when the Trojans brought the horse inside it. At night, the soldiers got out of the horse and opened the gates of the fortress. The rest of the army was then let inside the city. The next question is, how did the Greek ships remain hidden from Troy? The answer is, the Greek ships remained hidden from Troy by hiding behind an island. They lowered their sails, dropped anchor, and waited for the night. The next question is, what distressing sounds and sights could be witnessed at Troy that fateful night? The answer is, in the city that fearful night, the distressing sights of leaping flames and the sounds of shouting, noise of weapons, and cries of whipping women could be witnessed. The next question is, what was the destiny of the royal family of Troy and that of Helen? The answer is,
the destiny of the royal family of Troy was in contrast to that of Helen. Old King Priam and his sons were killed. Prince Hector's wife, old mother, and sister were taken as slaves by the Greeks, whereas Helen was forgiven by Menelaus and she went back to Greece with him. It is him. Okay. So now we'll move to the next question. How could the fall of Troy have been avoided? The answer is, the fall of Troy could have been avoided if the Trojans would not have brought the wooden horse inside the city. They could have destroyed it since it was the property of the Greeks. Now we'll see the workshop. So here is the workshop and the first question is, find and write the Greek and Trojans name used in the story for the both the part. ओके सो आपको ग्रीक और ट्रोजन्स के जितने भी नेम्स है उसे इनलिस्ट करना है. ओके वो दोनों पार्ट से. सो हेयर इज द आंसर.
सो वन बाय वन विल सी नेम्स ऑफ प्लेसेस, इलियम, ट्रॉय, एगॉन, माउंट ईडे एंड ग्रीस. नेम ऑफ पीपल, पैरिस, मेनेलॉस, हेलेन, हेक्टर, एक्लिस, ओडिसियस, एगामेमन, प्राइम, Aphrodite. Okay, the next question is, list all the words related to war from both parts of the story. So यहाँ पर आपको war से related या युद्ध से related जो भी यहाँ पर words हैं इस दोनों part में उनको आप यहाँ पर लिखना है इस question में. Okay, so the answer is, so ये बहुत सारे words थे इसमें, मैंने इसमें से अप्रॉक्स कुछ निकाले हैं, जिसके अलावा भी आप इसके अलावा भी होंगे तो आप लिख सकते हो. एनिमी, बैटल्स, इट इज़ BATTLES, ये सारे वर्ड्स ये टेक्स्ट बुक में ही हैं. आर्मी, स्किल्ड, कॉन्क्यूरर्स, सेक्रीफाइस, रेवेंज, सीज, विक्टर, विक्ट्री, किंग्स, वेपन्स, बर्न, फाइटिंग, प्लान, डिफेंस, अटैक. इसके अलावा भी होंगे तो आप लिख सकते हो. सो नाउ विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Note the following constructions carefully and then use them to express your ideas. So यहाँ पर आपको क्या किया है, यहाँ पर उन्होंने एक सेंटेंस निकाल के दिया है आपको टेक्स्ट बुक से और आपको इसके जो इसको अपने खुद के आइडिया में एक्सप्रेस करना है. ओके जैसे कि ये है, अ हॉर्स बिग एनफ टू होल्ड मेन इनसाइड इट. सो यू कैन राइट, अ बस बिग एनफ टू होल्ड 15 people inside it. The Greeks were tired of the long war. She was tired of the constant exercise routine. They are afraid of the long voyage home too. He was afraid of traveling by plane. They made it too big to go inside your city. So ये जो जितने भी ये क्वेश्चन है ये सारे आपके टेक्स्ट बुक के लाइन्स हैं. It was too fast to reach the party. They were so excited that they paid no attention to his words. The host was good. The host was so good that the entire program seems excited. Okay, now we'll move to the next question, that is, put the following events in the order in which they took place. Number them accordingly. So यहाँ पर आपको कुछ sentences दिए गए हैं, यहाँ पर आपको उसको नंबर वाइज अरेंज करना है. ओके इन द क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर, जैसे जैसे स्टोरी में ये हुआ है. ओके सो विल सी द आंसर.
सो हियर इज द आंसर. सो द फर्स्ट इज द कनिंग ओडेसियस थॉट ऑफ अ प्लान. सो हेयर मैंने यहाँ पर नंबर लिखे हैं. And the second is the Greeks built a big wooden horse. Third is the great heroes hide inside the horse. The fourth is the Greek burned their tents and sailed away. Fifth is the Trojans were happy to see the Greek ships go. And the sixth one here is the Trojans found a Greek man under the big wooden horse. The seventh one is the priest warned the Trojans not to break the wall. Yes. And the eighth is they broke down part of the wall and brought the horse in. The ninth is the Trojans slept soundly. 10th is the Greeks came out of the horse and opened the gates. 11th, the Greek army entered the city. 12th, Troy was burned down. So this is the answer. Now we'll move to the next question. So this is the question. Form pairs. Imagine you are a pair of Trojans and you have to come to know about Odysseus' plan. Make a counter plan to defeat the Greeks. Write down your plan as you would explain it to your fellow Trojans. So यहाँ पर आपको बेसिकली क्या करना है, जो ओडिसियस ने प्लान बनाया था उसके अलावा आपको उसको ऐसा प्लान बनाना है कि ग्रीक्स हार जाए. यस, आप उसके बदले क्या करोगे. सो यहाँ पर आपको एज ए ट्रोजन बिहेव करना है एंड आपको एज ए ट्रोजन्स और अपने जो फेलो ट्रोजन्स हैं उनको ये प्लान को एक्सप्लेन करना है. सो यहाँ पर मैं जो आपको आंसर्स दे रही हूँ उसके आप पॉइंट्स के बेसिस पर भी लिख सकते हो. यस, सो दिस इज द आंसर. The following plans to counter the conspiracy by the Greeks can be: first one, ensure that the horse stays outside the city. Tell everyone about the plan. Set fire to the horse at night. Second, pretend to have no clue, it is CLUE, clue about the plan. Bring the horse into the city and then as the night falls, surround the horse and wait for the Greeks to come out. As soon as they do, kill them. Third is, now that it is known that the man is lying, pretend to follow his lie and later push the horse into water as an offering to the god of sea. Okay, so these are the answer and we'll move to the next question. Identify one example of a main clause and one example of a dependent clause from page 46. तो आपको पेज जो 46 है उससे आपको एक मेन क्लॉज और एक डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज के एग्जाम्पल्स को पिक आउट करना है. Okay, so this is the answer. So this is the line: when morning came, nothing was left of the proud rich city that had resisted attack for 10 years. So see here, when morning came, ये जो phrase है when morning to came, it is dependent clause and nothing to the rich city is his main clause. Nothing was left of the proud rich city, यहाँ ये है main clause. That had recited attack for 10 years, this is dependent subordinate clause. See, ये दोनों भी सेम ही है. Dependent subordinate clause ये भी है when morning came and this is also dependent subordinate clause. Okay, now we'll move to the next question. So 7th question is be a writer. Now read the beginning and end of a sci-fi story given below and complete the story using your imagination. So यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है, एक स्टोरी राइटिंग दी हुई है. बेसिकली ये एक साई-फाई स्टोरी है जो साइंटिफिक चीज़ों से या लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी से रिलेटेड है और यहाँ पर आपको इमेजिन करके इसे कंप्लीट करना है. इसके बिगनिंग एंड एंडिंग आपको दी गई है और इसकी जो आंसर है ये आपको PDF फॉर्म में डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे. Okay, so we'll see the next question, that is read the following and observe the use of tenses. So यहाँ पर एक पैरा दिया है जिसे पढ़कर आपको टेंसेस के बारे में समझना है. Last week I witnessed a strange accident. Let me tell you about it. The signal flashes green. Vehicles start from the opposite direction. They move fast. Suddenly a speeding motorcyclist tries to cut across from the wrong side. He is about to collide with a loaded truck. He applies the brake. He falls and slides out with his brake from under the truck. He comes out unscathed on the other side. Okay, so basically when an event which has occurred in the past is narrated in the present tense to create a dramatic effect, its tense is called the dramatic present tense. So कोई भी ऐसी चीज़ है जो पास्ट में हुई होगी और आप प्रेजेंट में उसको एक ड्रामा के फॉर्म में बता रहे हो. यस, आप पूरा एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हो उसको कि वो कैसे हुई, सो उसे ड्रामेटिक प्रेजेंट टेंस कहते हैं. नाउ ट्राई टू रिलेट जयंत sci-fi story in brief in the dramatic past tense. So आपको बेसिकली क्या करना है, जयंत सो जो ऊपर वाला जो दिस इज दी मैजिक ग्लासेस या ये जो स्टोरी है आपको इसे ड्रामेटिक पास्ट टेंस के उसके रूप में लिखना है. ओके, इन ब्रीफ में आपको लिखना है. सो इसके आंसर्स भी आपको PDF फॉर्म में डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे. सो दिस इज ओनली दी वर्कशॉप एंड मार्जिन एंड गाइस, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. कीप लर्निंग विथ मी. स्टे सेफ.